Okay, this video is for people from eBay that's interested in my battery adapter for the Paslode Impulse gas guns. This is the older gas guns with the older battery. This battery is a 6-volt battery. It's about 8 3/4 of an inch long, an inch in diameter. It cost about $50 to replace this battery. It only cost about $14 to buy 4 C rechargeable batteries, which this adapter will let you use in this gun. What you have to do is slide it in there, take your C batteries, positive end toward the head of the gun. 4 of these C batteries will give you the same voltage that the original battery has. This nylon piece here finished off the length of the original battery, but it also works as a nice tool to seat the end of the adapter up into the head there. Worked out nice. Put this cap on there like that. Gun says it's ready to go. Cycling through its cycle there. Now, I don't know about you, but if I had this gun and a newer gun sitting side by side, and they were both in the same condition, and you asked me which one I wanted, I think I'd want to take the gun that I could put regular store-bought C batteries in, just because I like having that option. But that's my battery adapter. I'm out of here.